So we do have two great cars here that the kids help build as part of their therapy. These are two Factory 5 cars. The first one you see here is the Type 65 Coupe. It is a sexy, plain car with full leather interior, and it's in a really cool color of Bristol gray. And behind it is a Roadster. It is in Guardsman blue and the Wimbledon white, like the original Roadster would have been. In engaging the kids in this process allows them to build, one, a love of the industry, two, it's a therapy that doesn't feel like therapy, and then they can see a completed project, and they're part of something bigger that really is a kind of a distraction from the things going on in their life.
The idea that we wanted it, I mean, obviously you can tell it's fully custom, but the way all the lines work and everything's integrated, it looks like it could roll off the factory floor with that bed and that look. So yeah, it was really, really close to the rendering, and we don't see that a lot. Usually it takes a big departure somewhere, and this is pretty much spot on. Even the paintwork, you know, was done with Airhead Designs out of Wisconsin. I mean, he just nailed it.
I mean, we're in the lube business, right? Like, and we've been very lucky to be successful in the lube business for over 65 years, right? So, I mean, one of our values is to do the right thing, right? Make it better than it is today. So, I mean, why not partner with the amazing builders that we've you know come to know over the years and build something that does good, right? So, you know, we're not in the business of selling used cars, so why not build some really cool ones and, you know, sell them to some people who will love them and do some good along the way, right?